Hey guys, this is Deepika here and welcome back to my channel. This is day 2 vlog of Jaipur and is the second part. If you haven't watched the first video, I will leave the link in the description box below. So stay tuned, we will be exploring the City Palace and Jantar Mantar today. So we are at the City Palace at the moment. I have hired a guide who would be able to help you with the details. So this is Dilip Singh who would be explaining us about the City Palace. So please go ahead.
Moon Palace.
Okay.
Hindi Chandra Mahal.
Okay.
Residence of Royal Family of Jaipur. Look at the flag. 5 color. National flag of India. Only 3 color. Maharaja flag. Ma'am, do you know Jaipur is pink city?
Yes.
But why yellow there? Why not pink? Jaipur 300 year old, 150 year it was yellow. 1876 Prince Albert from England visited Jaipur for his welcome. Pink paint, pink color. Pink color in old Jaipur. Old Jaipur like this. New Jaipur like that. Hotel, airport, New Jaipur. Any color you can use. 2 vessels made of silver. 345 kilo silver. Water capacity 4,000 liters. Madhav Singh II, he drink Ganges water, Ganga Jal. 1902, he went to England. He took both vessels with Ganga water to England. This vessel in Guinness Book of World Record. Like this replica of this one, you visit in museum. Replica not silver, copper, silver plating. And you know Man Singh II, world polo champion. He died in England playing polo. When he play polo, he wear one T-shirt. T-shirt 5 color of the flag. T-shirt in museum I will show you. Mubarak Mahal, guest welcome house. 4 side same building like Taj Mahal in Agra. Now the dress of the Maharaja Maharani. On the dress gold and silver. And inside photo not allowed.
We are at the Mubarak Mahal at the moment, which is a welcome house, and this has been converted to a museum at the moment. So we have the guide who would just give a summarization of what is inside, because he would not be able to videograph or photograph inside the museum. So I will have the guide speak next.
Dress of Madhav Singh, and Madhav Singh big man, 7 feet tall, 4 feet chest, 250 kilo weight. We have seen the dress of the Maharani, 9 kilo with gold and silver. The dress for festival of Diwali. There is a Pashmina shawl, it can pass through the rim. And there was a dress of Maharaja and Maharani. Every dress gold and silver. There was a Dhaka Maslin, Dhaka Malmal. On one of the dress of Maharaja, his wedding gown.
So guys, that was a summary of what was inside the museum. We would not be able to show you inside, as this is actually not a government property. This is a private property. So we are back inside the entrance of so we are back at the entrance of the City Palace.
We are going Diwani Arm, public meeting hall, photo not allowed inside. We have seen Diwani Arm, public meeting, public audience hall. Man Singh till 47 Maharaja, 25 year hero, they celebrate inside Silver Jubilee. That time last Viceroy Lord Mountbatten, he came to attend Silver Jubilee. 1949 he became governor, Man Singh II. Then Vallabhbhai Patel, he came here. And Man Singh became first governor of Rajasthan. And after 47, India there is no Maharaja, I mean no political power. And inside we have seen picture of Jai Singh, he built Jaipur. The big man Madho Singh, Maharaja Ram Singh, he ordered pink color. And Madho Singh, who took the vessel with Ganga water. And Man Singh, the polo player. And Maharaja Bhavani Singh and his family is there. In the family, Maharaja died, his wife, daughter, son, 2 sons, 1 daughter. 5 people right now, they are in palace. Today, 1 big flag, a small flag more. It means Maharaja in Jaipur. If it is not here, a small flag they remove. Why people they want to know he is here or no? Because Maharaja they open school, college, hospital. So by the flag we can know. So 2 flag means Maharaja in Jaipur. If it is not here, a small flag they remove. दीवानी खास है, महाराजा की खास मीटिंग. महाराजा मीटिंग विद मिनिस्टर. Before this, we have seen Diwani Aam, the meeting for public, and here meeting with Maharaja with ministers. There is a temple, Shiva. It's open on Shivratri and Diwali for public. Dancing hall, the display carpet. Dance Maharaja was from there by this window Maharani. Maharani were not allowed common public. National bird of India, peacock. Peacock happy in monsoon. Lotus in summer. Lotus flower summer. Winter rose. Rose flower in winter. Spring green. 4 season forget. Artist who make it his great grandson. Now we are going.
So that was a quick tour of the city palace, and now we will be heading to the Jantar Mantar Observatory. I'm super excited about this visit as this place is an amazing combination of astrology, astronomy and accurate calculation of time and other celestial bodies in the space.
Maharaja Jai Singh, he built Jaipur and 5 observatories in India. First he made Jantar Mantar, Delhi, Varanasi, Ujjain, Mathura, last back in Jaipur. Madam, morning 6 to 12 morning time, afternoon 12 to 6 afternoon. We are now in Jaipur. It's Jaipur time, local time. Indian Standard Time, IST, from Allahabad city. Minimum difference in local time, Standard Time, 10 minutes. Maximum 41 minutes. Today, 18 minutes. Okay. We add 18 minutes in local time, then our watch time. Your watch may be slow or fast, but here, accurate time. And it's about 300 years old. But without sunlight, no work. Please come this side. See the morning, 6 to 12.
Oh, those reading
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 morning time. Afternoon here, 12 to 6. 1 minute, come closer. Come.
Yes.
1 to 1 hour, 15 minutes,
Okay.
30, 45, 1 hour. These 15 minutes, 5, 10, 15, 5 minutes each. 5 minutes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 minute each. 1 minute, 20 seconds, 40 seconds and 60 seconds. 20 second accuracy we can see.
Okay.
Now ma'am, see the set of the wall is here.
Yes.
6, 2, 15, 30, 40, 41.
42.
See, 2:41 local time
Okay.
plus 18 minutes.
Okay. Please.
9, 5, 2,
Three.
2:59 your watch time.
3 o'clock.
2:59.
Yes. So,
Madam,
Right time.
without sunlight you can't see.
yeah.
No sunlight, no shadow, no time.
Sure.
So 12 to 6 afternoon time.
Yeah.
And almost it is 300 years old.
Okay.
Madam, in Hindi, jantar mantar. Jantar, instrument, mantar, calculation.
Okay.
300 years ago, only the sunlight. This is the sundial.
Okay.
All over the world. Delhi jantar mantar, other jantar mantar, marking gone.
Okay.
Because those observatory made of plaster.
Okay.
Plaster broken, everything gone. But it is as it is.
Marble.
Since 300 years old. It is marble.
So guys, here at Jantar Mantar, the guide had just explained us as to what exactly these equipments were used for, and it's absolutely amazing that hundreds of years before someone did have such accurate calculation that even till date we see that the calculation with the timing that the guide had informed is absolutely accurate to the T. So we're going to the next equipment, the sundial. So we will have that explained right now.
Sun, 6 months in north. The dial work. 6 months north, 6 months south.
Okay.
But 21st March,
Uh-huh.
23rd September, sun on equator.
Okay.
Day night equal.
Okay.
Last year, 23rd September, sun was on equator.
Okay.
Now 24th September to 20 March, sun south, southern. So now southern hemisphere in function. It will work till 20 March.
That is from September till March.
Yeah,
March to September this side.
yeah. 21st March, sun north, and 22nd March, sun north, northern hemisphere. So now, please come to southern hemisphere. Now sunlight here means sun in south. Look at Iron Road. The side of the road is there. That's local time. Time you have seen there. There only time. You can't see sun south or north. Here time and position of the sun. So now sun southern hemisphere is south. It will work till 20 March. 21st March equator and 22nd March north, northern hemisphere. North, south, east, west. If we come here in night, see here the point. Night, we sit down here, we can see North Star,
Okay, yeah.
Polar Star,
Okay, for
here north.
Okay.
Only this star is fixed, but other star they move. One star in night, 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock.
So
means
the
star
polar star will keep moving.
No, polar star is
only polar star is fixed.
Okay, the other stars will keep
Other star they move.
Okay.
So in the night, north,
Mm.
exact north, we can.
Okay, we can find out the
Morning time, that time, afternoon, 12 to 6. This is a 10 time bigger than a small sundial. Here, 2 second accuracy. 20-second accuracy, small watch. You have 6. Moon Palace, Chandra Mahal, residence now royal family. From there, Maharani used to go Hawa Mahal. See Hawa Mahal? 365 windows. Whenever Maharaja going by market, there was a musical band, Maharaja on elephant, and public by walk, Maharani walk. Again Maharani come to the palace. Palace residence, queen for Maharani. Hawa Mahal, no residence, no palace, only gallery and 365 window. These 12 signs of zodiac for making horoscope of baby. These are 12. 11 not working. Only one is working. That is a Sagittarius. Dhanu. Because sun on Dhanu.
Whenever the sun is falling on that will work.
Yeah. So, with help of this science of zodiac, we make horoscope of baby. Making horoscope of baby, 3 information: date of birth, time, and city. Then they make calculation. Beginning, I told you, jantar mantar. Jantar, instrument. Mantar, calculation, time, date, and city, latitude, longitude.
So guys, you see these structures behind. So each of these structures depict each zodiac sign. So since at this point of time it is the Sagittarius zodiac that's ongoing,
This one,
we would be showing the Sagittarius
Sagittarius,
block.
the signs of zodiac. Now, shadow of the wall is there. So there will come degree. In the degree, we have to add date of birth, time, and city, latitude, longitude. Then expert can make horoscope of baby. You have seen the sun in signs of zodiac, sun in southern, but you can't know how many degrees southern in south. There we can know sun how many degrees southern from equator.
So guys, hope you liked the video. This was about the Jantar Mantar series. So I believe you have liked the video. So in case you like the video or like my content, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And in case you have any suggestion for improvement, do let me know about it so that I can work on it and get this improved. Thank you so much for your time.